नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar, Kotari, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha on this auspicious Chitra Paurnami day. I bless you all as living representative of Paramashiva, living energy of Paramashiva. Let the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness of Paramashiva manifest in all of us. With this initiation, Samaya Diksha, Visesha Diksha, Sannyas initiation, and through this darshan, I bless all of you. Continue intensely to manifest Paramashiva. Understand this one truth. Paramashiva is real and is available. Paramashiva is real and is available. Have this as your powerful cognition. And chant Mahavagya. You will start manifesting all powers of Paramashiva. Listen, I'll repeat. Paramashiva is real and is available now, here, for all of us. Keep this as your inner space and cognition. Listen carefully, I'll repeat. Whatever cognitions you carry is the source of energy, life for your system. The cognition you carry decides how this is going to function. Your inner image, outer image, others image, life image. All the four are defined by the cognitions you carry. Your cognitions are your fuel. Your cognitions manifest your life. So carry this powerful cognition today. Paramashiva is real and is available now here for me. Carrying this cognition inside, chant Mahavagya. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Based on this cognition, build your inner image, outer image, others image, life image, and manifest powers. You will manifest all the powers. Understand? On this auspicious occasion, Chitra Paurnami day, today is actually the anniversary of Tiruvannamalai Adinam, Adi Annamalai, Adi Arunachala Sarvanya Peetam. Formally we inaugurated on 19th April 2008. So 11 years over and 12th year beginning. But actually, this Adinam was planned by Arunagiri Yogeshwara himself. Understand? Multiple incidents and stories and happenings I can reveal, which has happened in this very land. Now our Adinam is standing, connected to me and Arunagiri Yogeshwara. This Adinam was personally planned by Arunagiri Yogeshwara. Once he told me very clearly, we need to have his Jiva Samadhi in the land which is going to be available for us to do the worship and all the meditation and all the rituals. With that declaration, he brought me to this very land, and under that Vanni tree, he sat and had Jiva Samadhi and showed, this will be my Jiva Samadhi and I will continue to be available here. We will have the future ashram here. Understand? That is why in 2000, when I settled in the body and wanted to start the public life, first thing I did, went to that place and discovered that place, means reconnected with that place and took photographs there. In 2000, Chitra Purnami, I sat in that very property and place and took photographs. We have them. Understand? It's a long, proper planning by Arunagiri Yogeshwara has become reality now as this Adinam, revival of Adi Arunachala Sarvanya Pita. This place has too much of sacred things associated. Too many wonderful things have happened. Devi Parvati, when she came to Tiruvannamalai to do tapas, to get the half of Paramashiva, to become the Ardhangini with Paramashiva, Ardhanarishwara with Paramashiva. Paramashiva asked her to go and be with the Gautama Maharshi and do tapas. So this was the place. Gautama Ashram was there. Even now Gautama Maharshi's Samadhi is there just opposite to our ashram. So this was the place where Parvati, Parashakti, stayed with Gautama Maharshi and did her tapas and became one with Paramashiva, experienced oneness with Paramashiva and became Ardhangini, Ardhanarishwara. Understand? Too many wonderful things have happened in that place. That is why that has become now the center for the revival of Adi Arunachala Sarvanya Pita. And beautifully Paramashiva has organized everything. Exactly the land came to my Purvashram family, my uncle, and exactly he bought it and kept it and handed over the property to us on proper time. And I wanted to thank him, Sri Soundaramaya, and the whole family, his father Banu Nainar, and the whole family for doing this wonderful work of keeping the property properly and handing it over, donating it to start the revival of Adi Arunachala Sarvanya Pitam. The whole ecosystem of Arunachala is such an amazing, ecstatic ecosystem. I have so much to tell. Now it is time I'll start revealing. And I tell you, as living representative of Paramashiva, I am blessing and making the Satya Sankalpa. From today, the whole Adi Arunachala Sarvanya Pitam, Arunachala Sarvanya Pitam, the enlightenment ecosystem manifested by Paramashiva himself will revive in a very powerful way in that whole place beautifully with all the auspicious things, and beautifully the enlightenment ecosystem will flower, will be revived, which is manifested by Paramashiva himself, will be now revived by Paramashiva himself. Today, we are also starting new temples, Nityanandeshwara Paramashiva Devasthanas in Kailasa in Taramangalam, Kailasa in Mannarpalayam, Kailasa in Talaivasal, and continuously more than 200 properties have come after I announced this Shivaratri to make 1008 Kailasas all over the world. We are sending deities all over the world continuously. More than 5,000 deities are getting carved, gods are getting made, Archavataras are getting made, Archavataras are happening. So they are all reaching to all over the world, making 1008 Kailasas into reality, enlightenment ecosystems into reality, and I am also today formally inaugurating 36 online Nityananda Gurukuls in 36 places. Kailasa is happening. Kailasa in France, Nityananda Gurukul, Kailasa in London, Kailasa in Netherlands, Kailasa in Switzerland. In 36 places, Nityananda Gurukul, online Gurukul, is getting formally inaugurated. Understand, Gurukul is enlightenment education system. It's literally reviving the enlightenment education system. What is Kailasa? Kailasa is enlightenment ecosystem. 4 things. Yogapadam means yoga. Starting a yoga studio to revive the yoga knowledge of Kailasa ecosystem. Starting a temple to Kriya Pada to revive the Kriya Pada of the Kailasa ecosystem. Yoga studio is to revive enlightenment ecosystem of yoga. Yoga studios are fundamentally to revive the yoga system of Kailasa, yoga pada of Kailasa. Temples are to revive the Kriya pada of Kailasa. Gurukuls, satsang centers, universities are to revive Jnana pada of Kailasa. And Adinams, monasteries, are to revive the Charya pada of Kailasa. Understand, morning yoga is practicing Charya pada, doing Panchakriya like Jalabasti and cleaning, detoxifying lifestyle is Charya pada. Then doing Shiva Puja and Guru Puja is Kriya pada. Attending to satsang and holding the powerful cognitions and manifesting powers is Jnana pada. Practicing these 4 padas and creating places for these 4 padas to be lived and practiced is Kailasa. That is the enlightenment ecosystem called Kailasa. Understand? Today we are inaugurating many temples all over the world to revive the Kriya Pada of Kailasa's enlightenment ecosystem. We are inaugurating many Gurukuls, universities, satsang centers to revive the Jnana Pada of Kailasa. We are also inaugurating yoga studios to revive the Yoga Pada of Kailasas. And all over the world, everywhere, thousands and thousands of activities are happening to revive the enlightenment ecosystem. Enlightenment ecosystem revival is happening all over the world. It is so beautiful, wonderful to see this happening. And I am also launching the new website for powerful revival of real feminism. Reviving the enlightened feminism as Hinduism. Vedagamas teach feminism. I am reviving the original real Hindu feminism by inaugurating this website, launching this new website, nityanandamayiswami.com, and Nityanandamayi will be available to all of you through this website. One of the initiated Sannyasini and Rudraganya of Nityananda Sampradaya, she will be available to teach the real feminism, the Hindu feminism to the world, to all of you through this website, and many more to follow. We are preparing at least 100 Rudraganya's websites to teach the real feminism to the world. to revive the Hindu feminism, real feminism to the world. So, understand, all over the world, the revival of enlightenment ecosystem, Kailasa, is happening in the forms of yoga studios, temples, and arts, gurukuls, universities, goshalas, annalayas. Understand? Yoga studios are to revive the yoga pada of Kailasa knowledge, enlightenment ecosystem. Universities, satsang centers, gurukuls, all these websites, all these are to revive the jnana pada of enlightenment ecosystem Kailasa. Adinams, monasteries, Hindu kingdoms, Hindu embassies, all these are to revive the jnana pada of enlightenment ecosystem of Kailasa. And libraries, all these are to revive the jnana pada of enlightenment ecosystem. Goshalas, monasteries, all of them are to revive the charya pada of enlightenment ecosystem of Kailasa. Understand? I'll repeat and list out once more. Yoga studios are all to revive the yoga pada. Temples are to revive the kriya pada. Monasteries, adinams, goshalas, annalayas, kingdoms, embassies, all these are to revive charya pada, lifestyle of enlightenment ecosystem Kailasa. Libraries, gurukuls, universities, websites, all the teaching platforms like Enlighten app, and all these are to revive the jnana pada, enlightenment ecosystem Kailasa. I'm so happy, and my blessings to all of you everywhere. The Kailasa is getting revived. The enlightenment ecosystem is getting revived. Thousands of places, system is getting revived, and thousands are taking sannyas and becoming Kailasa-vasis. And hundreds of old temples which were enlightenment ecosystem at one point, at one time, is coming back now to us. So we are able to revive it, make it into a living enlightenment ecosystem by reviving gurukuls, goshalas, monasteries, sannyasis, teachers, acharyas, making everything happen properly. We are also working on 200 more places. Maybe the next Vaikashi Purnima, Living Enlightenment Day, the Enlightenment Day, we will be able to inaugurate at least 108 more Kailasas, because almost all of them are on the verge of getting inaugurated. Deities are reaching in next few days, that kind of a level. So we will be inaugurating all of them, formally announcing on the next Paurnami. You can expect next Paurnami at least 108 more Kailasas being declared, announced. And in 45 languages, the Kailasa Facebook page and HDH Sri Nityananda Paramashivam page is available now. I am formally launching in 45 languages the Kailasa official page, HDH Nityananda Paramashivam official page, and Hinduism Now official pages. Today I am launching in 45 languages formally, through which we will be reaching out to the world officially with the teachings and to revive the enlightenment ecosystem. Understand, as on now, Kailasa is the largest enlightenment ecosystem on online and digital platform. And we are expanding continuously. Not just megabytes, terabytes, petabytes of material on Sanatana Hindu Dharma, and revival of enlightenment ecosystem of Kailasa is getting collected and uploaded. The languages in which the Kailasa, the enlightenment ecosystem, will be available to all of you from today is Albanian, Arabic, Assamese, Belgium, Bhojpuri, Bulgarian, Chinese Mandarin, Cambodian, Croatian, Czech, Danish, Dutch, Estonian, Farsi, French, German, Greece, Gujarati, Hindi, Italian, Japanese, Kannada, Khmer, Korean, Latvian, Malay, Malayalam, Mandarin, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Portuguese, Punjabi, Romanian, Russian, Sebeti, Sindhi, Sinhalese, Slovakia, Spanish, Spain, Swedish, Tamil, Telugu, Turkish. So you can go to Kailasa website and have access to all these 3 pages: Kailasa and HDH, Nityananda Paramashivam, and Hinduism Now. All the 3 pages are available in all these 45 languages from today. Today I wanted to give you only one powerful cognition. Let me repeat. The cognitions you carry are the source from which your inner image, outer image, life image, others' image manifests and your life happens. So carry the cognition. Paramashiva is real and is available now here for you. Carrying this cognition inside you, chant Mahavagya Om Nityananda Paramashivoham and start consciously building your inner image, outer image, life image, others' image. You will manifest all the powers, powerful cognitions of Paramashiva. State, space, powers, being, and superconsciousness of Paramashiva will manifest through you. Understand, start doing it with powerful completion, powerful cognition, will persistence. Sit and analyze, internalize, and build. Manifest. That is will persistence. That is tapas. Everywhere, all over the world, people are joining this great revival of enlightenment ecosystem, Kailasa, Paramashiva's Kailasa. And today, we are also raising the flag, hoisting the flag of Kailasa in Tiruvannamalai, Adi Arunachala, Sarvanya Peetam, Adi Arunachala Adinam. My blessings. Let the flag of Kailasa fly high always. Blessings. And Salem Adinam is offering 108 Naivedyams. I accept it as a representative of Paramashiva. And with this, I bless you all. Now, we have Bhautika Brahmacharya Sannyas initiation. Samaya Diksha, Vishesha Diksha, Mantra Diksha. For all the participants, let's start the initiations. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.